Welcome to Rome Tech. If you're enjoying this content, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Pexels.com is a treasure trove of free stock photos and videos, offering a fantastic resource for anyone seeking high-quality visuals. Whether you're a blogger, a small business owner, a student working on a project, or just someone looking for striking imagery, Pexels has something to offer. The platform boasts a vast library of diverse content, spanning countless categories and themes. From stunning landscapes and captivating portraits to vibrant food photography and dynamic action shots, the sheer variety available is impressive. One of the key benefits of Pexels is its user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate and discover the perfect visuals for your needs. You can search using keywords, browse curated collections, or explore trending images to get inspired. The licensing is straightforward as well. All photos and videos on Pexels are free to use for personal and commercial purposes, with no attribution required, although giving credit to the creators is always appreciated. Contributing photographers from around the world continuously add fresh content, ensuring the library stays current and relevant. This consistent influx of new material means you're always likely to find something that fits your specific project. Furthermore, Pexels offers a range of resolutions for downloads, allowing you to select the optimal size for your intended use, whether it's for web design, social media posts, print materials, or even large-format displays. This flexibility is invaluable for maintaining image quality across different platforms. Beyond simply providing free stock visuals, Pexels fosters a creative community. Photographers and videographers can share their work, gain exposure, and connect with other artists. This collaborative environment encourages creativity and contributes to the platform's ever-growing library of high-quality content. So, next time you need a stunning image or captivating video, remember to check out pexels.com. It's a powerful resource that can elevate your projects and bring your creative visions to life.